Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm in Troop 192, and this is for requirement 2 of First Class Scout rank. So, today what I've packed for Saturday is pancakes and eggs. So here's the pancakes mix, here are the eggs, and here are some onions and garlic to put in the eggs when we cook them. Here's the oil and the syrup that we're going to use. Here's the butter that we're going to use, and the salt and pepper. And this is the water for breakfast that we're going to be using. Then for lunch, we're going to have salmon burgers with baby spinach and ketchup. And as a side dish, we're going to have vegetable pilau and miso soup. And then for dinner, we're going to have pasta with pasta sauce and vegetables with Asian honey barbecue sauce. And so we're going to cook all this in these. And we're going to try and build a wood-burning fire. And
You're going to try to build a wood-burning.
I'm going to try and build a wood-burning fire. And if that does not work, then I'm going to switch over to propane. And some things that I can use to start up the fire are flint and steel, magnesium, and then this bow. And then I brought along some first aid equipment, and a compass and a poncho. And this is what I'm going to be storing everything in.
What's that thing?
This is the water purifier.
What are you going to use that for?
We're going to use this to purify the spring water in the back of the house.
Okay. All right. Anything else you want to say?
Nope.
Is that
That's
it?
all.